Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. And today in this video, we will talk about this new plan that is launched by OpenAI for the specific Indian users, that is ChatGPT Go. And we will break down into the simple words so everyone can understand what is the pro and what is the cons. So when you upgrade from the free plan to the ChatGPT Go, you don't suddenly unlock the every models like GPT-4o and the GPT-4. Instead, the focus is on giving you access to the GPT-5 and the GPT-5 mini. This is the clearly part of the open AI's marketing strategy. They want people to get on the handover experience with the GPT-5 at more affordable price point, while keeping the models like GPT-4o exclusive to the Plus plan. In other words, if you want those additional models, you still need to upgrade. Now, what exactly does ChatGPT Go included? First, you will get the everything that is already available in the free plan. On the top of that, you unlock the extended access to the GPT-5, which is their flagship model. You also get the extended image generation so you can create more visuals without running into strict limits. There is extended files upload capabilities, which is useful if you need to work with documents or spreadsheets. You also gain advanced data analysis, making it easier to the process and visualize complex informations. And finally, the plan come with a longer memory, which allows GPT to remember more from your past conversations and give you more personalized response. In short, ChatGPT Go is designed to give you a broader access to the GPT-5 and some extended extras like image generations, file upload, advanced analysis, and memory improvement without requiring you to jump straight to the Plus tier. So, this is everything you need to know about this ChatGPT Go plan. And now it's completely on you if you want to go with the ChatGPT Go plan or the straight to the ChatGPT Plus plan. So yeah, that's all for this one update, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.